Hi, I'm Ricardo Daniel Hernandez, and we are here on a Thursday morning, 6 a.m. We are in El Portal here in Merced, California. We are going to do building wash. This dental office from Marie Moran, a children's dentist. We are going to be washing the north side only of the building. It has some mildew over there. You can see around that vent. We are going to wash the awning as well. Has some streaks. You cannot see them right now. And then we are going to pressure wash some of this lichen and mold that is growing here on the sidewalk. On this side, David is using a soft wash method, which means he's applying soap that is going to help kill all the mildew and algae that is built up over time, especially here on the north side. And after that, we are going to rinse it, and it will look cleaner. That's why we don't apply pressure, because pressure can be well, you first have to cover all the surface with pressure, and you have to keep it at a certain distance so you don't damage, and it's just not going to be as efficient and give you as good of a result than doing the soft wash. Here the soap we are applying is doing 70% of the work, and the 30% is going to be done with the rinsing afterwards. And the rinsing is not with high pressure. It's pretty much the same pressure he's using, which is almost like a garden hose, but has a better reach. So David is now rinsing the soft wash treatment, and you can already see what a difference on the siding of the building. There is no mildew anymore. The treatment kills it between 5 and 10 minutes of the application, and then we just rinse. That awning is also being rinsed, and it's going to look great. With that tip and our pressure washer, we can reach up to two stories when we do residential, and this kind of tile buildings as well. So now what David is doing is using a surface cleaner to clean the concrete, and you can already tell over there how clean it looks. You cannot tell that's dirty, but until you clean it with the pressure washer. But especially here, it's going to look great without all this lichen, because it's kind of slippery actually when it's wet. So it's important in your house or your business to get the concrete clean from lichen. Alright, so we're all done. We are just picking up the tools. Mackenzie's finishing up with the exterior window cleaning, just to make sure windows are not spotty after we leave. The mildew is gone, the awning looks a lot better, and we are just rinsing all the junk that came from the driveway. Just want to show you what Mackenzie did. Looks great too. This was completely yellow and had mildew right here. You can see the difference. Alright, so I'm going to log out now. But if you have any questions about our pressure washing, window cleaning, soft washing services, just let us know. Our phone number is 209-500-9441. Thank you.